Welcome back to this training. In this tutorial, we're going to have a look of how to design the pin, the fixed pin, in order to have the handle in place. Right now, the handle is attached to the vice body using the mace command. And we need to place a pin in this slot here to have the handle in place. Let's see how we're going to do this. Initially, you have to go to the vice body and select Edit Component. Select the view orientation, the top one. Click on the vice body and select Change Transparency. Okay, we are interested in this slot here, which is this one on the datasheet. We know that this edge here and this edge here, from this edge to this edge, is 2 millimeters. Plus this bit here, which is 3 millimeters, we have 5 millimeters. And the half of this, which is 3 millimeters, 1.5, we have 6.5 millimeters. So right now I have to select the sketch, go to sketch, select the arrow here on the line, select centered line, select this face, and select escape. Go to the management tree and find the rod thread, right click and select Hide Components. Go to centerline, centerline. This point here, click somewhere here, escape, select Smart Dimension, and type here 6.5, enter. Now we're in the middle of this, of the handle slot, as you can see here. Escape, select the circle on the point, escape, Smart Dimension, and we have to type here, as you can see from the datasheet, 3 millimeters, which is the slot. $3 Select component, edit component, select the vice body, select change transparency, select the handle, select change transparency, go back to the vice body, select the vice body, go edit component, select the sketch, select edit sketch, go to features, select Extruded Cut, from blind to up to surface and select the surface here. Select OK. Select Edit Component to exit the Edit Component.